today, I know it's not too late to make it, so just fake it for me. And anyone who says that I should just give it a rest can shove it, 'cause I'm above it, or at least I like to believe that it's all in my head. Yeah, it's all in my head. Whoa. Where was I today? Well, I was worrying away, inhibition on a mission through my head, so I could take the other side of that roller coaster ride. Like I don't need you, but I know I need you, so instead I just went back to bed in hopes it's all in my head. Yeah, it's all in my head. Whoa. Get to feeling like I'm not coming home, you can sing me a song. And if I get to feeling like I'm doing this alone, you can sing me a song.